Hi everyone, welcome back to another series about Churchable. I'm Martin and I'm thrilled to be your guide today. If you're new here, be sure to check out our previous series where we discuss the mission and values of Fruitful Rome, the creators of Churchable. Today we're diving into the heart of Churchable, the powerful web builder that empowers you to create beautiful, functional website pages for your church. But before we jump in, I want to extend a heartfelt thank you to all of you who have been following along and engaging with our content. Your support means the world to us. Now let's take a closer look at how to navigate Churchable's web builder and unleash its full potential. First things first, let's log into Churchable and access the web builder's dashboard. Here you will find a user-friendly interface with intuitive tools and features to help you bring your vision to life. From selecting blocks to customizing layouts and adding content, Churchable offers endless possibilities for creative expression. Let's create a new page together and explore the various options available. In the blocks page on the top, we have the list with every block already created, completed with search and filtering functionality. Each block can be reviewed, edited or deleted. As we scroll down, you will see every block type available. For today's quick example, we'll create a page with a header block and a video block. Let's start by clicking on the headers block tile. Here we're presented with an easy to use and self-explanatory fields to fill. Once we complete the necessary fields, click on the Create button at the bottom of the form. Similarly, let's create a video block. Once the desired blocks are created, let's navigate to the pages and create a new one by clicking on the corresponding button at the top of the table. We'll add the title, description and a link. Once created, let's attach our two new blocks by clicking at the New Block button, finding the blocks we want and updating the page. Now, let's review our newly created page by clicking on the item from the list. We'll explore each of the options in more details in the next videos. As you can see, Churchable's web builder makes it easy to design professional looking pages without any technical expertise. I hope this brief overview has inspired you to dive deeper into Churchable's web builder and start building your dream website. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and leaving a comment below with your thoughts and questions. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Churchable's builder. Be sure to stay tuned for more tutorials and tips as we continue to explore the endless possibilities of Churchable together. And as always, may God bless you abundantly as you use your gifts and talents to serve others through Churchable.